My name's Kelly Fox and I'm a Case Management Coordinator at Mobilong Prison and I'm studying a Bachelor of Criminal Justice at UniSA Online. I was in a career that I wasn't particularly passionate about and I woke up one day and thought there has to be more. I wanted to do something to help the community. It's about coming to work and knowing that I'm making a difference. UniSA Online's been perfect for me because I get to work around my full-time work and I have a young family. When my daughter's asleep, I can hop on the laptop and just plug away at what I'm doing. That works perfectly for me. The online tutors have been very, very helpful, and when I've been stuck, I can go straight to them and they're always there. The online learning environment is fantastic. It's very easy to use. Everything's there at your fingertips and it just makes it so easy. It's absolutely crucial that I have a holistic understanding of the criminal justice system and I'm getting that through UniSA Online. I have prisoners in various stages of their journey through the criminal justice system, so I have to be able to anticipate their needs. With the skills I'm learning and the knowledge I'm developing, it's opening doors for me. I feel like I'm on a journey of my own now. UniSA Online has been a huge part of that for me.